Meaning and context of percentage. Okay. Now, what do you mean by percentage? To understand percentage, let's first understand the meaning of percent. Okay. Now, by percentage or by percent, we mean per, which is this 100. Okay. And this percent is basically denoted as PC, or by symbolically something like this. Now, what does this mean? Let's look at this particular diagram which I have done on the right side. So in this diagram, basically you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 smileys in a row. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 rows of 10 smiley each, which is 10 by 10, or we have 100 smileys. Right? Now let's say, for example, what do I do here? I'll pick up this color. So I pick up these smileys and cross them. Right? So how many smileys have I crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, if someone were to ask you, what is the percent? Okay. What is the percentage of smileys I have written off? That would mean basically how many smileys I have written off per 100. Now, in this case, we just have 100 over here, and we've written off 6 out of them. So we'll say we've written off 6% of 100. Right? So percent means 1 out of 100. So each smiley here represents 1%. Okay? Each of these part which is there, let's say for example this particular smiley is referred to as the 100th part, or simply 100th. Right? So if someone was to ask you, what do you mean by 7 divided by 100? This means it's 7 out of 100. Right? We learned this in fractions. But percent means what? 1 out of 100. So if you have 7 out of 100, this means 7%. Okay? And this basically is written as 7%, which means nothing else but that if you are writing as 7%, that means that many number of 100th. So in simple term, not to complicate things, what percentage mean is that if there was a group of 100, okay, how many percentage, how many parts out of that 100, each 100th basically is known as 1%.